YouTube channel. In succession to the videos what I was taking up from Pedodontics and Preventive Dentistry, the next 100 MCQs in succession to that video, in this video I'll be mainly focusing upon. So beginning with, the adolescent age group is ranging from between 14 to 20 years of age, and in this adolescent age group, as you can see, the 12 primary teeth are seen, as well as 12 permanent teeth are seen at which age group. So this is one other very important MCQ, that is around what age group 12 primary and 12 permanent teeth are seen in the oral cavity. So it is ranging from, it is in at the age of 8.5 years. Till 4 weeks of age, a newborn is called a neonate. So a newborn is called a neonate. So they ask you up till what age limit a newborn is called a neonate. That is the 4 weeks, up till 4 weeks of age, a newborn is called as neonate. Now, the next important multiple choice question, what they ask is, brushing technique is recommended in preschool children. It is the Phones technique. So, very important MCQ. When it comes to asking that in children, this what technique is being, brushing technique is being demonstrated, it is the Phones technique. Moving on to the next very important MCQ is, that is the non-pharmacological treatment method. Which of the following it is a non-pharmacological treatment method? That is, it is aversive conditioning, behavior management, is hand over mouth exercise. Moving on to the next important MCQ, what they ask is, latest recommended etching for primary and permanent teeth is, for primary, that is the deciduous, and permanent teeth is the latest recommended etching time is same, that is 15 to 30 seconds. So nowadays, previously it was having a different thought, different school of thought was there, that primary teeth needs to be etched for a longer period of time as compared to the permanent teeth. But now the latest recommended etching time is same for the primary as well as the permanent teeth, that is 15 to 30 seconds. Now moving on to the next important multiple choice questions, what we can see is that child with IQ level equals to 50. So children whose IQ level is equal to 50 or below that, they are usually considered as mentally retarded. Moving on to the next very important MCQ, that is, in a karyogram, the dark blue color is representing what? So do remember, the dark blue color in a karyogram is representing the diet. The red color in the karyogram is representing the bacteria. Now, the next important MCQ is buccal pit on the primary molar. So obviously all the cavities what are falling on the pits and fissures of occlusal surface, they fall under class 1. So buccal pit on a primary molar will be referred to as a class 1. Moving on to the dental trauma is likely to occur in the age group of between 7 to 12 years. It's a very important MCQ. Do remember, students, that between the age group of 7 to 12 years, this is a very important data. What you need to remember, that between the ages of 7 to 12 years, that dental trauma is mostly experienced by children. Moving on to the next important MCQ is, restoration of primary molar is a part of preventive orthodontics. Very, very important. Since pedodontics and preventive dentistry, we mainly focus on preventive measures as well. So restoration of primary molars is a part of preventive orthodontics. Now moving on to the next MCQ is, at what stage of molar tooth development does the tooth erupt into the oral cavity? So do remember, it was stage 8 when 2/3 of the root is complete. That is, at the molar stage 8, when 2/3 of the root is completed, the tooth erupts into the oral cavity. In the absence of custodial teeth, the root of the primary second molar will resolve slower than normal. Do remember, students, that if the permanent custodial tooth is not present in the oral cavity, so the roots of the primary teeth are going to resolve slower than normal. Now, the first window of infectivity, very, very important window of infectivity, is very important from the perspective of Viva and students of theory exams, but in each EDMCS exam, they mostly ask you about the numerical data. So, the first window of infectivity lies around between 7 to 24 months of age. Now, that's the last position.